What's up, everyone? This is Kenny here from Profit Stories. So another question here from audience. This question sounds like this. Hi sir, I've been watching your videos and thank you very much for your very detailed explanation. But I have two questions here. Before this, I've applied for PL. PL here stands for personal loan. From Bank A about a few months back, but I got rejected. And when I found out the reason is because I have a SAA for car loan, which is around 1K. And I made the settlement on 26 July 2023. So my question is, will SAA account be cleared on the August of 2023? And is it possible for me to go back to Bank A to apply my PL, or should I go to other banks? Your advice is really appreciated here. So there's two questions here. First is, it cleared the SAA on the 26th of July. So it's asking whether you update in August. Okay, Bank Negara will update CCRIS on the 15th of every month. Listen up, clearly. Bank Negara will update the CCRIS on the 15th of every month. I did not say when the banks will update because I also don't know. Okay? So, for these kind of cases, SAA, with small cases, like small amount, like 1,000, and then credit cards 200-300. When you settle already on that day, usually you update within about 3 to 5 working days. About a week, you give the bank about a week. Then you go and check your e-CCRIS, see whether it's removed from the SAA part or not. That's it. Okay? Once it's removed, another thing is, should you go back to the same bank that gave you the SAA to apply loan? My answer is no. Of course, no, because your record will stay there. How long it will stay there? Indefinitely. I hate it. I hate to break it to you, but Malaysians, the system is not kind to defaulters. The moment you default and you're blacklisted, that's it. Your name is there for life with that bank. Okay? Please go other bank to apply your personal loan or whatever loan you want. Okay? Please go and apply other bank. Don't come back to the same bank again. Because maybe if you come back to the same bank again with later next time, right? You are buying something with a collateral. For example, property. Possible. Maybe possible, okay? Because you have a collateral. But right now, if you're talking about a clean loan like a personal loan or credit card, forget it. Just go and apply other bank. I hope that answers your question. This is Kenny here from Profit Stories. Again, check out my playlist, alright? I'll leave the description down below. This playlist, right, before you ask me a question, you can check the playlist. I might have answered your question, okay? If you want to look for a loan, do click the link down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.